Hey, thank you for stopping by and checking this out. I'm trying to get that blue light behind this logo, and I want to. It's a flat ribbon, so I want it to do this behind this photo here. So if you know how to do that, let me know in the comments below, and I appreciate you very kindly. Thank you for stopping by Max's Garage Mahal, and I appreciate all the help you can give me. Welcome back to Max's Garage Mahal. We're doing a little light test here, and that's all this is, so I know it's going to be really short. And I just would like to maybe get a little bit of your opinion on what you think of this and where I'm heading for and what I'm trying to do. And that is, in the background over here on this logo, I'm trying to do a black background, and I want light to come through it, but just really muted light. Nothing strong, just to give it the logo, in the background. And I know with enough lighting on it, like it is now, and it's not a lot of lighting, but sort of like not really around it, but through it. But the question is, what do y'all think of that color? I sort of like that color. It's more or less my color, and I mean, we can mute it down. We can change it to, if I get this thing pointed at the right place here. This is just a testing purposes only. Haha. Well, that's orange if I've ever seen orange. That's supposed to be red. Don't look like red to me. I don't know about you guys. Well, that's green. And that's supposed to be like, I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's like right here. What is that? Fuchsia? No, the one below it's fuchsia. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. I don't know, guys. I think I can screw this up pretty badly, don't you? But anyway, I'll find the color I like, try to stick with it. And that's supposed to be white right there. That doesn't look white to me at all. And maybe I can mute this down to there. Maybe that won't look too bad. But anyway, y'all let me know in the comments below if any of this stuff is working. Because to be honest with you, I don't know if it is or not. And could be worse, I guess. But anyway, if I can get that coming through and mute that a little bit to make it look like the original, that's really what I'm after. So, okay, this is going to be the end of this sucker, and hopefully we'll get some good feedback, some honest, positive critiquing on those that knows a little bit about backlighting and lighting all together. So we appreciate you stopping by Max's Garage Mahal. Subscribe, share, hit that like button. And most importantly, here at Max's Garage Mahal, we'd like you to come back and see me now, you hear?